I'll demonstrate how to count here. A filtered lists visible rows, and I'm going to demonstrate 3 distinct. The first is the first of the ways to do that. That's not going to be very effective, and presumably the reason you are here. Same as count. We calculate the total number of cells using. After 5, everything appears to be in order. We filter the list and eliminate some items, choices, leaving us with 5, which is why do we have 2 fantastic functionalities: the aggregated function and subtotal function, the more recent aggregate, the subtotal function's updated version, essentially. Then, let's look at these. Guys, let me make this plain. It's initial, and the subtotal will be equal to subtotal. And then you select which you would like to do a computation. Option 1 through option 11 is first series is working just with filtered values. Then 101 to a 111 will also function on manually obfuscated rows, so that when you click to conceal a row, click it. We'll stick with the count. Frequently, function count and count for numbers. Used count works count functions for any non-empty cell. In case you ever forget, I'll briefly demonstrate how in a bit. To be recalled, the range that we have is the second argument I'd like to choose, and there's nothing else to say about it as that from now on. If you ever miscount or miscount, just type count and use equals, and it will explain what it accomplishes there. Count to, and it will tell you what it is, whether there. Therefore, don't stress about that at this time. Here, aggregate function equal aggregate. We select the desired calculation to perform and observe how it goes this time, up to a 19, so that we can accomplish more concerning this one. Nonetheless, there is no 101 to 111. Do not be concerned about it, as the second debate currently being made about the possibilities is an extensive list of truly outstanding truly. We don't need that because of powerful things. We can select a second set of calculations. What we want to overlook in this case, or what I want to disregard hidden rows and nested error values, using the subtotal and aggregate functions. Fantastic option to select. I will therefore select that option, and for the final argument, pick a few cells, that's all. Now, when we filter this individual, delete a few choices, everything is updated appropriately. I've only taught you how to count so far, the seeming rows, yet you note that there were plenty other things we could do with these features. They are incredible. Using certain procedures to screen your data, and they can significantly improve when you want your large worksheets. Have a lovely small data summary at the top of all of your filtered data.